everybody, it's me Sissy back today with the first, I hope, of a series of DIYs before Christmas. I'm going to show you actually gifts that I'm making for some friends and family. We're doing a little tiny Christmas this year. There's not many of us left in my family, but anyway, it's always nice when you can give something homemade, something heartfelt. So I'm going to show you something that I'm making for well, I call him my nephew, but he's not really my nephew. He is the son of my cousin. But anyway, he is crazy about cuckoo clocks. And it is hard to find a gift with a cuckoo clock. So I got several little things I'm going to make for him. And the thing about this gift is you can personalize it for whatever anybody's specific interest is. And we're going to use a Webster's Dictionary that I found at Goodwill. It has the nice white pages in it. So we're going to do dictionary print art. So don't stay tuned. It's really simple. It's really more of putting it together than a DIY. But y'all take a look and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, so the first thing I did was I opened up my dictionary. Just opened and pulled the pages back, and then I took an X-Acto knife and I cut straight down the binding here and got my pages, cut my pages out. Then I went online and I found some images. There's lots of resources. You can just Google an image, and if you're using it for your own personal use, not to sell, you can basically use any image that you find. So I went online and I went ahead and printed several out because I think I might make some for some other people in my family. So I just found a picture of a little birdhouse, and I printed it. I just dropped it into a Word document and printed it on my inkjet printer. The pages went through fine. I just put them in the feed. They came through fine. So I did a couple of birdhouses. And like I said, you can do anything. You could just type a quote in a big bold font and print it on top of here if you have a favorite quote. You can do that from a movie and then use an image from a movie. But here's the little cuckoo clocks I found. There's one cuckoo clock. And just to be safe, I did another one. So that's the other cuckoo clock. And these are really cute, and they're all over the internet, and some of them are quite pricey. But anyway, I did those, and I think these are the pages turned out to be 7 by 9. And I just happened to have an old frame from Dollar Tree that has a print in it, but I'm going to take that out. And then I use my Cricut, or you can buy mat board, and mat's already cut, and I cut out on my Cricut a little double frame. It's just 2 pieces, a black one and a white one. I made the white one slightly bigger, the opening, so I could do like a double frame on it. And then I'm just going to take it, mat my picture, and put it in the frame. So I'm going to adjust the camera and you can see me do that. See how quick and simple and easy that was. And you have a really custom-made, one-of-a-kind, really, gift to give someone. You could even put their name on it, or as I said before, a quote, or you can personalize it any way you want to. And all you needed was a page from a dictionary. I think it looks really cute. I'm going to make some for my sister dear, of course. I can't quite decide what to put on hers yet, but when I get them made, I'll put a clip of them on my Facebook page. So, and I wanted to announce that I will be doing a Christmas giveaway between now and December the 15th. Every time you watch one of my videos and you're a subscriber and you leave a comment and a thumbs up, you'll be entered into the drawing. I'll be showing along and along what's in the gift basket. It's a lot of good things in there. Not all of them are from Dollar Tree. Some of them are really nice presents. So y'all stay tuned for that. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. So get out there and craft yourself a merry little Christmas, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.